How to add note on Instagram posts and reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add notes on Instagram posts and reels. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram. After you open it up, head over to the post where you want to add a note. After you do that, you'll simply need to tap on the share option. After you tap on the share option, on the bottom left, you should see an option that says add note. Tap on it, and now you simply need to add note. Now you can add whatever you want. So I'm just gonna add this and tap on share. After you do that, you will notice that you've just added a note on your post. Now this is really similar for the reels too. So simply head over to the reel that you want to add a note on, tap on share, and there you go. Now you can add whatever note you want and then tap on share. Now your followers will be able to see all of your notes that you share. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you add note on Insta's posts and reels. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.